Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, today we are going to do something very exciting and bit magical too, related to our topic, that is materials from earth. Okay, so before beginning with the topic now, I will like to ask you some questions. Okay, so first question, I will like to ask that from can you name any materials that we get from the earth? Yes, Susna.
Rock, clay, soil and metal.
Yes, very good. So many other materials also we get from the earth. So have you ever seen how buildings and bridges are being built?
Yes.
So can you name what materials we use to make them stronger?
Cement.
Yes, cement is one of the most important materials used to make them stronger. But where do we get the raw materials to make the cement from?
From the earth.
Yes, from the earth we get the raw materials to make the cement from. Okay, so let us begin with the activity. But first I will explain you what will be the learning outcome. So by the end of today's activity, you will understand how cement is related to earth natural resources. How it is related? Because cement we get from limestone and, say everyone, from limestone and clay. Okay, and where do we get the limestone and clay from? From the earth, right? So we have derived the cement from the limestone and clay. So cement is related to earth natural material. Understood? And you will observe how from the powder texture cement changes into a hard solid block. Okay. What is limestone, beta? What is the meaning of limestone and where do we get limestone from? Say.
Limestone is a chalk.
Limestone is a rock. Okay. And from that rock now, that limestone we get the chalk. Okay. Anyone else? How it is formed? Limestone. How it is formed? Say.
Deep animal.
Yes, when animals decay, from their bones we get the, where do we get limestone and how is limestone formed?
Limestone from and decay animal.
When animals decay now, okay, so their remains are inside the soil. After few years or many years, their decay part turns into a rock that is called as limestone rock. Okay, so from limestone what do we get?
Chalk.
Chalk. And again one more use of limestone. That is our today's activity. Say full sentence. Anyone else? Say full sentence. From cement.
From cement we
Anyone else?
from cement
Limestone.
from limestone we get cement and raw materials.
To make.
From limestone we get cement and chalk.
Yes. Very good. So let us begin with the activity. See, here I have cement. In which form it is?
Powder.
Raise your hand if you want to say. Okay. Say.
Powder.
Yes, it is in the powder form.
It is in
Okay.
This cement is in white color, but this is in white color, but cement is in grey color.
Yes, we have two types of cement, that is grey and white. Okay, so grey cement is made from different things and white cement is made from limestone and clay. Okay, limestone are usually white in appearance. Okay, and from limestone and clay, when we mix this together now we get this white cement. Okay, now I have water, I have spoon and I have small box to pour my experiment in it. Okay. Now I will like to call any one girl from you so that to perform the activity. Khadija, come. So what Khadija will do now? She will add little water in this powder. In this powder and then pour with this mixture into the box. Okay. So first I will like to say one thing. That it is in the powder form now. Okay, but what they are made from? Limestone and clay. And from where do we get limestone and clay? Say. Yes, say.
From the decay animal, we from limestone.
We get limestone
We
and
get
clay.
limestone.
So what do we do now? We dug the earth, and from deep inside the earth we found this raw materials. Okay, start the activity. You all have to pay attention and let's see what will happen. Okay.
What are you doing? Say way side by side.
Say, what are you doing?
I am making a cement powder.
You are mixing water with the cement powder. And what are you making out of it?
Mixer.
Mixing it and making a paste of it. Okay. Say, I am adding little water in it and mixing it. Say.
I am adding little water and mixing it.
Now mix it.
Go on mixing.
Yes. Add more water, little.
Yes, add. Add the water better. More water. Like a toothpaste it should become. Come on. But wait now. First mix it.
Mix it better. Yes, fast. Add little more water. Add more water. What did you notice? Is it becoming thick?
Yes.
Yes. So, if earlier in which form it is?
Powder.
Now in which form it is?
Paste form.
Yes, it is in paste form, okay? It is becoming semi-solid, right? Yes, like this. In one round only. Yes, very good. Now what you will do?
We will add in this box.
Yes, we will pour this in this box, okay? So, what shape it will take, our cement? The shape of what? Say.
Hard.
It will become hard, but what shape it will take? When we pour ice in the water in the ice trainer, what shape it takes? According to the trainer, according to the tray shapes, right? The same way, when we are pouring the cement in a box, now it will take the shape of this mold. Okay? Cake, how Mama make the batter of the cake, and that batter when she pour in a tray, so that tray shape it take, na? Like that only. Good. Now don't mix it. Let it settle. Okay. What we will do now? We will tap it like this. Okay. So that it can settle. Okay. Now we all can.
Everybody understood what she is doing?
Yes.
Come on, who will tell me what she did? Come on, step by step. You all saw now just now. Come on, very good children. You can do it. Very nice. See, I want everybody's hand up. So simple it was. Yes, try better. Come on, good.
She put a little water and she mix and make a pass.
But in what she pour the water? In what she put the water?
In the spoon.
No.
In the bowl.
No, your chance went. Good try, but yes.
In cement.
Cement?
In powder.
Which powder?
Cement powder.
Yes.
Okay, which color cement was it?
White.
Very good.
Tap it again. Yes. Now what will happen to this base? Yes, say.
It can hard. It will be hard.
Yes. Now what this process is called as? She had tell the answer. But
Yes.
what is the name of that process?
Setting.
Yes, setting. What is the meaning of setting? Setting means
Wait, yes.
Setting means to dry something.
say try Amina try.
Setting means Setting means to set anything.
Yes, good.
Yes, good. So what we will do now, we will keep this cement aside. Now this cement will turn into dry, it will dry gradually and will become hard within few hours, or it might take 1 or 2 days also. So this process is called as setting.
Setting.
Okay? Sit. I want to ask questions, students. Sit, everyone. We'll keep this aside, okay? So girls, now I will like to ask you 2 more questions, okay? First, that why do we use this cement in the construction site for building bridges and houses? Say.
To make them strong.
Yes, to make them stronger. Okay. Now one more question I will like to ask, that between the 2 bricks now we could apply the mixture of cement. Now what is the name of that mixture and why it is used? Say.
That mixture is called mortar. Mortar
Yes.
is used to fill bricks and make us hard.
And make them stronger, and we use mortar to join the 2 bricks together. Okay, so now we all know now what is mortar. Mortar means when we are adding water in a cement, any cement, grey or white. Okay, we are mixing it and we are applying this between the 2 bricks so that the 2 bricks join together and it become hard and strong, so it cannot fall down easily. Okay, so coming back to our chapter, what we have studied in this chapter, that we get so many natural resources from our earth, like we get clay to make pots, right? So can you say what we learned in this chapter? Say.
We are learn this chapter. In this chapter, clay are used to make pots.
Yes. Yes. Say.
Clay are also made to pots and brick also.
Brick also, very good. Yes.
In this chapter there is so many things that made by earth.
We get from the earth, we derived from the earth. Okay.
We get from earth.
Yes.
Like what?
Clay, chalk,
Clay, soil, rocks, and metal.
Very good. Yes, you.
Cement.
Yes, cement also. And this cement is used in the construction site that are needed to be strong and long lasting. So let us make a list of things at home that are made from or that are derived from the earth materials, that are derived from the earth. Say beta. Yes, jewelries and pots. Jewelries are made from metals, right? So where do we get metals? From where? Say. Stand up, say.
Earth.
Yes, earth. Any other example?
Glass and tiles.
Glass and tiles. Very good. Now, now I would like to call Khadija. She had made something very beautiful. Show. Come.
I made this flower with cement.
Yes. See how after setting this is still in the which form?
Liquid.
Semi-liquid. It is in the paste form, right? So when it will dry now, it will look like this. Okay. What she had done? Can you explain?
I made this flower with cement.
Yes. What did you do? In cement, you add water. What things you add?
In cement I made water, glue.
And from where you got the yellow color? What is the yellow color? What did you add for that color?
Paint color.
Acha, watercolor it is. Okay, good. Who helped you?
My brother.
Your brother. Very good. Mashallah, very nice.
Thank you. Very nice.
See,
how-
children, everybody saw?
Yes.
Now, which set is this now?
Flower shape.
Yes, the flower shape. Good.
But in which state it is?
Yeah.
Liquid or solid? Yes.
This flower is shaped in solid.
It is in the form of
It is in
solid
the form
state.
of solid.
Very good. Good try. Okay. Very good. Very nice, beta. So like earth, you all also can make many things from the cement at home. Like you can make pots, okay, flower pots, and any other idea.
But under your guidance of your
Parents.
parents, okay?
Any other example or ideas you have? Say
Pottery.
potteries. Many other new ideas.
Bridges. Flower pots. Small butterflies.
Very good.
We can make cement with bird.
Birds, okay?
Small stars and
Moon
Okay.
and stars. This one. I have prepared. What if I am giving you cement right here in the classroom? What would you like to make out of it? Say
teddy bear.
teddy bear. Okay.
Not teddy bear. But how? Can you explain how? What is the procedure? Come on. I don't know to make teddy bear. Tell me.
First we take the cement and we take the teddy bear shape.
Directly with the cement powder?
Ma'am,
Yes. Who?
we can add water.
But let her try it, huh?
We can add water and
We have to add water.
we have to add water and we can keep that cement for few days or few hours. Then few days we have to take a shape of teddy bear.
Yes, and after that, what will you do? You took the shape of the teddy bear. After that?
It will
After that, what? Come on, you can do it. Good. You will put that cement in that shape, in that mold, and then you will keep it to dry. And then it will become a teddy bear. But it will become the white teddy bear then. Suppose if I want a blue teddy bear or no, brown teddy bear, what will I do then? What will you do if you want a brown teddy bear? Wait, let her answer.
you can take
Try. Very good, beta. Come on. Let her do. Let her say she can do it. Come on, children.
soil.
Yes, Rukoya. If I want a brown color in the teddy bear, so what will I do?
First you take cement,
Huh?
then we have to add water,
Huh?
and then we have add brown color.
Yes, very good. Understood now? Very good. Good. Yes, who wants to try? Who didn't get chance?
Ma'am, get chance.
You got chance. Don't try. Yes, come on.
We make cement.
Why we? So now I will take a cement.
I take with the cement.
Cement what? Cement what? Cement powder.
Cement powder, and I take a shape circle.
With a powder circle? No. You have to. Huh.
We took a small water and mix
Very good.
and we do one shape and we do one shape and
Which shape you want to draw? What you want to make out of that? What you want to make out of that? Come on, tell me.
bowl.
Huh?
Bowl.
Acha, bowl you want to make. Okay.
We make a one bowl and we paint.
Who we? You alone, na? So say na I.
I will make a
Huh?
one bowl with shape and I draw a design.
Acha, okay. You mean to say you will take the cement, you'll pour water in it, and that mixture will put in the bowl, and on that you will draw the design as well. Right? Okay, good. Who else?
Ma'am,
I can see some new hand. Yes, come on.
first we will take cement.
Again, why you are saying we? You are doing it, na? So say first I will take the cement powder.
First I will take the cement powder and mix and add little water in it and mix it. Then I will take star shape and I will put in that. Then
What you will put in that? The batter. The
Batter.
cement batter will put in the star shape. Okay.
the cement batter I will put in the star shape.
Huh.
Then I will keep 1 hour or 2 days. It will become hard and solid.
Okay. Then you will remove from that shape.
Yes.
Very good. Very
No,
nice.
my turn.
Miss, everybody understood?
Yes.
Yes. Very nice. Very good. Enough, children. Bye. Take care.
Can you say what do we learn from today's activity? Some new hand one. Yes, see beta.
We learn how earth gives us material like cement, soil, clay, and so many others.
Yes, but beta, do earth give us directly cement? Yes or no?
No.
No. So where do we get cement from? Sentence, okay? Say.
No, earth not give us directly cement.
Yes.
That
So how cement is made?
cement is made about
Yes, say.
limestone.
Yes, and one more thing.
Cement is made up of limestone also and materials.
Yes, right, quite close. Try.
Limestone.
Say full sentence.
Cement get limestone and
Cement is made from
cement is made from
limestone.
and decay animal which
See, limestone is made from decay of animals, right? But along with limestone, now we add one more thing. I want that thing. Can anyone answer? Yes, beta.
it is in powder.
Not this. Limestone. Along with limestone, what? Two things we are mixing now.
Chalk,
No.
water,
No. From cement. Two raw materials, I said. See, say.
sand and water.
No. Miss Shiva, ma'am Shiva.
Clay,
Yes, very good. Now you find the right answer, right?
sand, clay.
Limestone, sometimes sand and clay. We mix these things and then we get the cement. Okay. Another thing that we learned from today's activity. What?
We should not got directly cement for earth. We in this activity we learn to how to make flowers and many things
Out of?
also
From?
from cement.
Yes.
We learn about how cement is important for us. There was not cement, we not make buildings and bungalows.
Yes. If there was no cement,
Yes, very good.
if there was no cement, we won't be able to make strong structures like building. And
Okay,
bridges.
now in this classroom, tell me, where have the cement been used? I want some new faces. Come on. In this classroom.
In full sentence, okay? You have
Yeah,
to give
I don't
the
want
complete
to.
answer.
Yes. You said. You also got. Yes, try. No, not you. Yes, yes, someone said over here. Yes, beta. Come on. Very good.
The cement.
In this classroom, where is cement used? Come on.
Please.
Wait. Let her try. Sit down, everyone. Yes,
In
beta.
this classroom,
Okay, what you want to tell? Wait, I will help you out. Come on.
Say little bit in English or in Hindi. We will train
Yes,
sentence.
we'll help you out. Come on.
Try one.
this.
What?
Wall.
In wall.
Yeah.
In wall.
To build a wall. Good. Very good.
In this classroom,
No, you got a chance. Who else? Who else? Who else? Yeah, you also got a chance. Who else? Come on. You want to say? Who wants to answer? Okay, yes. Not you. Yes.
In this classroom, the
Cement is used where? For what and where?
cement is used
To make?
to make a wall.
Only wall?
And
And
floor.
floors. Okay. Yes.
And bungalows buildings.
In this classroom.
Classroom. But okay. She's giving the extra knowledge. Very good. Come on, say.
Bungalows building and school also and classroom also.
What?
Ma'am,
Bungalows, building, classroom, but what?
can make
No.
We use
Cement is used in.
cement is used in bungalows, buildings, schools and classrooms.
Okay. Suppose now, if there would be no cement. Okay. Previously, if there is no cement, then can you make a building?
No.
if we don't get materials from the earth, right? So earth is giving us so many materials now. But what if we didn't find any materials from the earth? Then what will happen?
We will not make anything like school, bungalows, building.
Any other? Anyone else?
If there is no cement, so we don't make
Won't be able to.
don't be able
We won't be able to.
we won't be able to make buildings, flats, bungalows.
Okay. Okay, but why cement? If cement is there, we can make. If cement is not there, we won't be able to make. But why? Why? Yes. Who will tell me the why?
Ma'am. In previous classes, there is no cement, so people use log to make houses.
Yes, they were living in what? Earlier
Tent.
people? Yes, tent.
Yes. Why? Because cement makes it strong.
Yes, very good.
Okay. Because if the buildings are there and we use bricks and all and cement also, so it makes it strong. You all live in a building now. You all understood everyone.
Sit at your.
And anything else you want to say?
I want to say one thing.
Anyone else have any other idea than building and bungalows and everything? Okay.
We not have cement. We will not make anything also, and the cement is important for us. Cement is strong also, and cement help.
Cement makes the.
Cement makes the building strong.
Yeah.
Very good. Very nice.
It's
It's time up, children. It's time up. Bye. Again, see you all in the next class. Okay? Very nice. Very good, mashallah. Very
In
nice.
our classroom, okay?
Earth give us chalk also, but
Who gives us chalk?
Earth give us also chalk.
Huh?
Also chalks where there is not chalk, teachers not write into the board. Then
On the board.
on the board, the student not to be able the right and learn.
Achha, able to look on the board and write.
Look what.
Okay. Okay. Okay, enough. Yes.
Today activity we learn how to make powder into cement, and student able to this chapter very nice, and we know how to make the buildings with the cement, and we also make metals with jewelries and potters.
Okay, so you make a building, I guess, now. When it will grow big, architecture will become. Yes? Very nice.
Ma'am, I know how to make anything from cement.
Like what?
I like to make flowers. First we have to take cardboard and we have to color and we have to color it and we have to color our favorite color water on the cardboard. Then we have to take cement in one bowl. Then we have to put some water, and we have to mix the cement. We have to mix that cement. Then it will get in liquid. We should take that cardboard and we have to put that. We have to make that design. What we have to make, and that we take that. We take a spoon and took the cement and put in that. Then we have to take a flower. Flower is in yellow color. We have to take watercolors and put in that cement. We have to mix that cement, and then we have to put on that cardboard. Then we have to then we have to dry that
Flour, what you made. That you will dry it.
that we have to dry it.
Okay.
It will take 1 hour, 1 day or 2 days to dry that flour.
Mashallah, very nice, but very good.
I want to say
Enough,
one thing.
Shrees, time up now. Tomorrow. Bye bye.